for many, but for this man, certainly. Oh, what a most goal. Certainly! Courtois completely bamboozled. It's for Cristiano Ronaldo, and what a stage to get it.
Oh, Kevin, this ball does everything.
Manega, buena para Messi, si pasa hasta el primero, va, viene, ¡gol!
Hit it well! Oh, my goodness. What a goal! And that's even better than his first. It was simply unstoppable, breathtaking stuff from Ronaldo.
Kevin, two goalkeepers wouldn't have saved that. And that's what I'm saying about the second leg against Bayern Munich. When you've got...
Last 24 hours for Barcelona for the football club. Lovely pass to Fabregas, and here's Messi! 3-2! The turnaround is complete.
A goal sent up to the heavens, to where I'm sure he believes someone very special is watching today, alongside his beloved grandmother Celia.
Certainly the dedication to Tito. You can see exactly what that means to Lionel Messi.
Now Ronaldo, long way out. What a goal! Not too far out for him. On a night when Manchester United had to score, they have scored inside 6 minutes. It's the player from Portugal who has hammered it in here.
Standing! What a way to make it 6-0!
Messi! Brilliant!